Hello, have you been searching on how you can make money online? Search no further, because in today's video I'm going to show you step by step the most easy way for you to make thousands of dollars online. So, alright, if you want to know more, so stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you one little tricks that you need to know to make this money online. So hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Freedom. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step how you can make thousands of dollars using Upwork site, so that you can make this kind of money for yourself. So if have you been searching on how you can make money online, don't worry, because I'm going to show you tutorial. I'm going to show you the proposal template and a tool that is going to do this work for you. So you can see we are on a Upwork website. This is a freelancer website where you can go in and make passive income for yourself. You can see you up up your work again up your work game. It is free. Yes, it is free for you not to cost. So no cost to join, register and browse professional exploit projects or even book and consultation. This is a free website that you can sign up to join. So without wasting, I have already existing account to this website. All I need to do is to log in so I can show you how the districts work. So let me log into my account. So you can do this is my account with them. This is the account I have with them. You can see this is my account. This is my account. Alright, so I'm going to show you tricks now that is going to make you thousands of dollars online. So all you need to do when you come to this Upwork site, this is an Upwork site. So you click on these three dots, then you go to find work, again find work. So these are how you can make money with Upwork online. It's one of the easiest way. So after coming here, so we scroll down. I think, yeah, let's wait for it to load, so that we can find a job that is going to suit us what you are professional, or even though you are not professional about it. So you can see there are works here, thousands of work here, but as for me, I'm going to browse. Let me search for content writing. All right, I think that will be easier for many people. You can see media buying for web designer company. You can see $150 content creative media money for referrals. This one is is easy, $300. You can see as many as it is. So I'm going to search for, you can see I'm going to search for content writing. I think that is one of the easiest way you can do this work, writing. All right, I'm going to search. All right, let's wait for it. You can see, okay, so it's here to load. So let's wait for it to load. Sorry. So this one I'm going to show you a tool that you're going to use with this, so that you can make thousands of dollars online. So, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like I say, let's wait for the internet for it to load. I don't know what's causing this. I'm sorry for this. What is happening? Sorry for that delay. So I'm going to show you tricks. So yep. Oh my god, you can see that's pump up. You can see Instagram content writer. This person is looking for Instagram, just giving me post. He's gonna pay you $10 to $35 per post. You can see this person hourly post 10 to 35. This amazing copywriting in English. It's just text creation of 1,000 per text. This price per text is $10. You can see $10 per content. You just copy and paste. I'm going to show how you're going to paste, going to do this work for you. Copy and paste work. It's going to make you millions of dollars online. I'm telling you, marketing and social media, fixed price, $500. Just $500, for Christ's sake. And you'll be wondering, how can I make this money? Don't worry, stick around. You see, content creator media money for referrals, $300. You can see there are bunch of works for you to complete, and it takes you less than a minute to do this. Write for blog about B2B and cryptocurrency needed. You can see $5. Just go to one of these websites. I'm going to show you a bit. It's going to do this work for you. All you need to do is to stick around, because don't miss any part of it despite the delay. So I'm going to show you first of all, I'm going to show you the template, the Upwork template proposal that you need to submit, so that your work needs to be approved before you can go through this work, do this job. So this is the template I normally use. You can see it here. You can see there hiring. You're going to put the person names. If there's any field you are applying, you're going to say there blog or the website owner, you're gonna see, you can say I'm excited to submit my application for the position. So this is how it is work. This is the template, and if you cannot see it well, the link in the description box for you. This is a Upwork proposal template. You're going to submit less than 20 minutes. You're going to be they're going to approve your work. So after using this template, so there's the website. I want to show you which number that is going to do this work, any of this work for you. So let's say you pick, let me pick one. This one is for content writing. Let me go to, so I'm going to show you a website that is going to do this work for you. So let me go to, let's search for, and the name of the website is called ChatGPT. I know many of you have heard of it. ChatGPT is a free bot that is going to write content for you for free. It's charging nothing. It's going to put, you're going to put any question that you need an answer, and you're going to write it for you. So this is a website I refer you to go into. If you're ahead of it, for fine. If you're not ahead of it, go into it. And if you want to know, want to see the tutorial, I have a video on my channel that is going to teach you how to use this ChatGPT for your business. So if you want to make money with Upwork, I think this is one of the easiest way to make money online as of now. If you are a starter, a beginner, make money on Upwork is one of the easiest way. A freelancer, you can make money with ChatGPT. And if you don't know how to use ChatGPT, check the link in the description box, because I leave there's a video on my channel that is going to teach you or show you how you can use ChatGPT to make thousands of dollars online. So, and thank you. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Seeing some of my next video, you can see there are money on this website. All you need to do is to be consistent and use this simple tool and make this money for you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.